Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 5 Notes. So today the agenda of this video is to cover about allocation journal in D365. So today we will be covering about a different method of allocation. So in my last video I have covered about basis and fixed percentage. So if you didn't watch that video, I would suggest to go and watch that video. It will be very exciting video and you will get a better understanding of allocation journal and allocation process in D365 finance and operation. These videos are in smaller length so you can watch easily. So let's get started. Now today we will be covering about the equally. So as the name itself suggests that it will allocate amount equally. So let's see what Microsoft documents say about this. So let's start. Equally, this method distributes the amount equally to each defined destination. For example, if destinations are defined for Department A and Department B, advertise expenses can be allocated so that both Department A and B receive 50% of advertising expense. Means if any expense is designed and defined on source, then it will be allocated on destination 50-50. So let's see the setup. Before setup, we will go with the one example. I have created one Excel and there I can show you the example. Here, if you see the allocation method, here source and destination. So under the source, I have defined my main account and dimension and date and amount. So my date is current date. Now my main account is having prepaid expense account and dimension will be business unit 001. It can be department also, but I don't want to define in that way. It's as per my convenience I have defined. Now you will see here I have defined 10,000 on prepaid expenses on this main account and department. Now at the destination, what I have defined is I have defined these two same main account but different dimension. Here system will allocate the amount 5,000 and from the source it will uh, credit the amount and it will post in negative and define over here. So let's see in the system how to define, and in next video we will be covering process. In this video we will be covering about the setup. So let's start. Go to general ledger for defining. In general ledger you have to go to allocation and ledger allocation rules. So once you go to ledger allocation rules, you can click on new button. It will be the same process which we have done earlier. Now put the description and active this allocation rule. Save and click on general. Now here you have to select allocation method. So today my allocation method is equally, then I will select equally. Now journal name is allocation only and let these things as whatever default is there, I will not touch these things. Now I will go to source. Source, click on new button, define the same main account. So my main account was prepaid insurance. Now save, add new note, new item which is financial dimension, and here I will select the same business unit. After that you have to define the destination. Click on destination. Here click on new button, select your main account. In my case it is prepaid insurance. So here I will select business unit. It is a 1. Now click on new button. Here I will select again the prepaid expense account, sorry, prepaid insurance account, and here I will select auto. Now save it So the basic setup part is completed. Now in next video, we will be covering about the process part. So that's it for today. If you have any doubt or query, please put a comment on this video, reply as soon as possible, and if possible, I will create a video on your doubt. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till that time, tada, bye bye, see you in the next one.